Good evening, everyone. So my next question is that concate the two lists element wise. Elements wise, we want to concate those things. So list one, we are trying to concate those things like uh, list one and Adiram. So comma good. Maybe I can write Hyderabad and software. So next list two. I am trying to explain. City and I can explain. Why is that? Maybe. So these are the two lists. So we are trying to concatenate element wise list one and list two. So we want to zip it like those things. So let me show you how can I write. Str list equal to I plus j for um, zip of list one comma list two. List one comma list two. So here I want to explain like I comma j in um, getting the list are C. So maybe we can like Abira is a sweetie. We are concatenating. Hyderabad, why is a concatenation? Software engineer, doctor, we are concatenating. So if we were before this, you want to add those thing, anything means you want to add any concatenation between the any operator means we can able to zip it as well. Okay. So like this, we want to concatenate element wise concatenation we can do. This is the way. See, after concatenation, this is the output. Okay. Like this, we can concatenate. So if you want to add any between this element, like hyphen symbol or hash symbol, between middle, you can able to concatenate yourself. Like you can supply like here I plus in between middle, we can give like anything. Maybe minus like this. Yeah. So this is the concatenation between these elements. I'm giving like as hyphen symbol. So like this, we can able to concatenate any special symbol as well. We can separate those things. These are the element from the first list. This element from second list. Like this, we can concatenate multiple lists. Also, we can able to concatenate list one, list two, like that. Multiple lists. Also, we can able to concatenate. Okay. Thank you.